Well, it sure was a beautiful day outside, lots of sun and pleasantly warm temperatures. Here's a look at the view from outer space right now, showing not a cloud in the sky, which obviously as you step out, you can see that too. And we're going to continue to have that as we head through the overnight. Here's a wider look at our satellite and radar. A lot of clouds down in Florida, and then you run into some showers getting down to central and south Florida. But all that's heading east and not north. And the air that's coming towards us is all dry and not filled with any clouds. Let's look at your model forecast here coming up from tonight going through tomorrow. Not a cloud in the sky on the model forecast through 4 o'clock. It looks like we'll continue to track clear skies going through Thursday. Might see a couple of high clouds coming through Friday morning. Otherwise, we'll continue with mostly sunny skies to finish out your week. So basically a temperature forecast coming up, one which is going to be cooler over the next couple of days. Out there right now, we still have 80 in Metter. Most places have dropped down into the 70s. We're looking at 77 in Alma, Blackshear 78, Hinesville 78 degrees. Right now, Savannah Airport 73 and cooler on Hilton Head 73 degrees. All right, here's your model forecast for the overnight. Quicker drop in temperatures, and our morning lows will mostly be in the low 50s along the coastal counties. The further west we go, the better chance we have of seeing some temperatures in the 40s. We're showing a temperature of 47 in Vidalia at 7:30, 49 in Statesboro, and 49 degrees tomorrow morning in Hampton. So it is going to be a little chilly heading out the door first thing tomorrow morning. Monitoring a system well to our south in the tropics. This is the Bay of Campeche or the southern Gulf of Mexico. There's a low pressure area that's getting ready to move on to the Yucatan Peninsula. There's not much agreement on the steering flow by the computer models, as some of them just go around in circles and others kind of drift the system over to the Western Caribbean in the next 5 days. Either way, everything's staying well to our south as we head through the next several days. Your forecast for tomorrow then, getting off to that chilly start, 52 degrees at 8 o'clock on average. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll have lots of sun, getting up to 72, so almost 10 degrees cooler out there tomorrow than it was today. Here are your upcoming tides. We've got a high tide occurring just after 7. Next high tide at Tybee at 7:40 in the morning. Meanwhile, in the water, the wind direction will continue to be mainly out of the north. Seas running about 2 to 3 feet. So overall, pretty good boating conditions if you happen to have plans to do that through the end of the week. Here's your latest pollen report. We've got weed pollen now is up into the moderate range, and mold remains high. All right, let's look ahead to your weekend forecast. And like last week, this far out, it's a high confidence forecast. Looks like we're going to be in a quiet weather pattern. So that's going to mean lots of sun for both Saturday and Sunday. High Saturday up to 78. Looks like we'll top out right around 80 degrees on Sunday. And here's your entire Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. And there's no rain on it. Looks like we'll continue with lots of sun, some chilly mornings next 2 or 3 days, and then warming up a little bit as we finish the weekend. Jennifer, looks like 82 degrees for your high on Monday.
Job well done, Jeffrey. You should take a bow.
Yeah,
Right.
plus you got some good words in there. I like sunny.
Yeah,
I
me
like
too.
chilly.
No.
I don't like cold. I like chilly.
All right.
And I love the word Yucatan. That's just me, though. That's just me.
Have you ever been to the Yucatan?
I have not.
Do you know where the Yucatan is?
I know it's not near Springfield, and that's where we're headed tonight.